Hello everyone, my name is Emerson, and today I'm going to introduce you to a very special person. In my family, my mother is Lilibet. She is a strong kid and hard-working woman. She is the here all home and always has a big smile on her face. This is my family trick. Here is my father is Eder. My mother is Lilibe, my brother is Joan, my grandfather is Silvio and Mick. We all live together and support each other. My mom is the one who keeps our family united. My mother is Lilibe had a very busy day. She woke at 5 o'clock in the morning and started preparing the food she served frito and pesto. She could with luck, making it very delicious and fresh. Around 7 o'clock, she go out to sell in our neighborhood. She called to people, smile, and always her energy to everyone. And the afternoon, she came back home, sleep, and spend time with hugs. At night, she relaxing, watching TV, and go to bed early, ready, stand, and wait the next days. I admire my mother because she is responsible, loving, and never he'll act. She teaches me to work hard and to believe in my dream. Thank all about my mother daily routine. See you for watching.